Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I wanna make new game again. New game is soccer. You can kick the ball from one player to another player. Okay, let's go. And then this one for the view. Then this. You can add hand in here. Then let's then and then Jordan and then again is ball, soccer ball. Put it in here. Soccer ball. Then in here, and forget the small size is 50, and then for building is 50, and then the ball also 50. Even the ball you can put in the middle, and then this one Jordan you put in here, and then 45. Put in here. Then the code for then is when green flag click. When green flag click, stop sound here. Be free while stop, and then wait 2 seconds, and then light one and 55, and then switch custom to then here again, and then say code for 1 second. And then broadcast ball move to Jordan. Ball move to Jordan. And then Jordan, what is when I receive ball at Jordan. Ball at Jordan, and I receive ball at Jordan. And I receive ball at Jordan. Switch custom Jordan. and then say nice try. Sokoboy ball move to Jordan, ball move to Jordan, glide 154 and then 6 then putting it and then broadcast ball at holding, and then when I receive Jordan returns ball again, ball return ball then I receive ball Jordan ball in return ball and then glide to and then Saxon Colchir and then and then Saxon Colchir and then okay already I make game plus and then is soccer game 2 and then don't forget to set to your computer and just like that. Maybe I'm sorry if I have a lot mistake in this tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.